scrunchies are rad. And whether you're rocking one scrunchie, doubling up, or going full-on belter from The Expanse, you're going to need some supplies.
You will need colorful scraps of fabric, silk or cotton work great, a large safety pin, 7 inches of 1/4 inch wide elastic, and all of your usual sewing supplies. For each scrunchie that you're making, cut a strip of fabric that is 3.5 inches by 22 inches.
At one of the short ends, fold over and iron 1/4 inch. With right sides together, fold the strip in half lengthwise. Sew together across the long edge. Now, turn your little tube right side out by attaching a safety pin to one end, weaving it through the tube and out the other end. Now, thread the elastic through your tube. You can use the safety pin if it makes it easier. Make a secure double knot with the elastic. Now, take the folded end, place it over the other end, and slip stitch your scrunchie closed.
You did it! Congratulations, scrunchie maker!
If you like this project, then you're going to love my book, How to Upcycle Nearly Everything. It's available on Amazon and my website in the links below.
Not sure if you're ready for that kind of commitment? That's okay. You can still get some of my projects for free. When you sign up for my newsletter, you'll receive a free digital book that I wrote just for you about the strange and sexist history of pockets in women's clothing. Sign up for my newsletter in the link below. Happy upcycling!